in Hendersonville and in the state of North Carolina, because this week we have an incredible opportunity to defend the right to rescue and defend animals in court. And yesterday we are in, I just being surrounded by so much beautiful nature in this beautiful state. And I was just in awe looking at the trees and the mountains and the lake where we're staying. And it made me realize so much how privileged I am to be who I am, to have all the privileges that I have, to be able to be surrounded by this beautiful nature in this beautiful world. And I wish that every single being, human or animal, had those same privileges, had the ability to see the beautiful nature and breathe this fresh air and feel how crisp and cold it is and see the sun. And that is what we are asking for every single individual on this planet. We want all animals to have freedom, to have autonomy, to be respected. And that made me think about Rain, the goat that Rain rescued. The reason that he's standing trial this week for multiple felonies for rescue. And it made me so happy to remember that Rain still has the ability to have those experiences. Right there, you see the sun himself. Go outside. Because if it wasn't for him being rescued, he would have probably died of pneumonia because he was sick, or he would have been killed and slaughtered for someone to eat him. And so Rain is lucky, and I am so happy to be here defending his rescue and fighting for the rights of all animals to have those same privileges like he does now. And we're here outside the courthouse protesting the district attorney, Andrew Murray, because Andrew Murray, the district attorney, has said the same thing himself too. He said that he is here in his position, in his role, to give victims a voice. For those who don't have privileges to have their voices being heard in the courthouse. Victims of domestic violence and sexual assault. And that's something that I support too. But I think that one thing that Andrew Murray, the district attorney Murray, is forgetting is that animals are victims too. Rain was a victim. He was sick and he was going to be killed. But he was rescued. But there are a lot of other animals like Rain who need protection too. And so I'm asking Andrew Murray and everyone here in North Carolina in this courthouse to live up to your word, to protect all victims and realize that animals are victims too. They deserve compassion. They deserve respect. They deserve a voice in this courtroom. And that's what we're here doing, because Rain doesn't get to come to court. He is still safe, he is still happy, he is still free, but he doesn't get to come to court. So we are coming to court for him. And we are saying what I think a lot of people already know in their hearts. That animals feel pain, they're conscious, they want to live, they want to be free, and that they should be rescued when they're being exploited. I don't think that's a radical ask. I think that is something that we all stand behind. I think that's something that good people stand behind. And I think it's something that people of North Carolina stand behind. So that's why we're here today. And we're asking Andrew Murray, if you don't change your heart, and you don't drop these charges today, you realize, if you don't quite realize yet that animals are victims, then at the very least, allow the evidence of animal cruelty to be discussed in this courtroom. Because it is so unfair to not be able to talk about the very reason that we're here. So that's why we're protesting today. We'll be going to court for the rest of the week, defending the right to rescue, supporting ways